Hello and welcome to MTDCNC. We are here at Jagdeep machine stall at ACMEE Chennai and I am here with Mr. Srinivasan from Caterpillar.
Hello, sir.
Thank you for your time, sir.
Yeah.
So you have been using Jagdeep machines for quite a long time. So how has been your experience?
Yeah, I feel very happy because we are using so many international missions like Toslin, Okuma, Mazak, and SNK VTM. So first time we are using Make in India missions. So we are really happy that and extremely happy that your service. So whatever mission breakdowns or application side support, so we will immediately get it. So thanks for your Jagdeep team and Mono Marketing.
Great, sir. So you earlier you were using European imported machines. Now you have substituted them with the Make in India brand Jagdeep machine and you are very satisfied.
Yes, we satisfied. So
Great.
we want to happily inform that. So we are looking more.
Great, sir. Thank
So
you.
we need to some improvements also. We hope doing that improvements.
Fantastic, sir. Fantastic. Thanks for your time, sir. It was a pleasure talking.
Thank you.